Good morning! Ako'y magbe-breakfast. Finally, my, what do you call this? My favorite Starbucks place where I go do a drive-thru is already open. Nakakatuwa, oh. Ngayon, breakfast ko. Hindi naman ako nagda-diet. Natawa lang kasi ako kasi dumating na ang, and the Starbucks is already open. It's just right, you know, when I drive, I pass it by. So, madali lang mag-drive-thru ng coffee. I really need a coffee because 4 shots to kasi I wanna be awake. Imagine, I have clients at 8:30 until 8 o'clock. And then, or sometimes 7:30. And then I have to do extra hours kasi I have a lot of I call this, drop-offs. Yung mga hindi nakakuha ng mga appointment, all they do is just drop it off, especially the business clients. Anyway, naisip ko lang mag-vlog ng breakfast. If you notice na lagi ako nagpapapicture ng coffee time. Natutuwa lang kasi ako sa mga nasusuot ko. Ito nga, mami, meron na naman akong coffee time. So anyway, na-late ako ngayon kasi pinakinggan ko yung yung live ni Den. And so kasi yun ang nag-ano sa akin while I'm preparing to go to work. Anyway, nakakatuwa naman na I was invited to be interviewed, and we were talking about signs of God, yung sign ng Lord, kung yun ba or what. Actually, you know the truth, when God gave you a sign, right, it has to have a confirmation. Hindi basta yun kaagad, baka iba yun, kutob mo yun. Minsan we mistakenly yung God's will to self-will, Alam mo, sa totoo lang, pag nasaktan ka, that's not God's will. God will not give you something na you will get hurt. Yeah, because He all loves us. Tapos kahapon dun sa yesterday, I have to tacklish because I have some American subscriber too. I just want to shout out to them. They're my clients and they just love me. One thing that I really love to all my American clients, they're so sweet. Anyway, let's go back to science. I read someone who made a comment that she said, I'm a sinner. Makasalanan ako. Yes, we all are sinners. We all fall short of the glory of God. I always fall short. I always make sin. Not because I'm like this now, I love God. I still commit sin. That's why sometimes my friend will tease me, because my husband will tell me, hey, Han, stop, don't do that. That's not biblical. So I call my husband my Holy Spirit. Yes. I also, especially when it comes to buying things. I love to buy. Well, me and my husband, we like quality things. We don't buy just the cheap things kasi, as I remember my dad saying, as my dad says, the reason why he buys expensive shoes, expensive clothes, or anything expensive is because it lasts long. Kasi if you buy cheap things, it easily destroys. Just like, I give you an example. This is so funny. My husband will always complain, Han, you buy your expensive bra. Okay. I buy a very expensive bra, like $100. Yeah, meron. There is. You go to Nordstrom. Anyway, I tried going to Kmart. I don't know, you guys, if you don't know, in the Philippines, don't know what a Kmart is, and those who are, because there's no longer Kmart, those who are oh, do you know where Kmart is? That's one of my favorite place to go to sometimes when I was single and I have no money. I'm so poor. Not that I said that only poor people goes to Kmart. No. That's not true. Anyway, I just love the things that the Kmart, sells. Anyway, I tried to buy a bra in Kmart. In just one day, just so I showed it to my husband. I said, see. Anyways, so that's my weaknesses. Even you are in the Lord, but sometimes God blesses me, like because I really did do a good job. God gave me blessings. Traveling, yes, that's the only way. That's the only thing that I ask God for. Yes, Lord, I work hard. I'm gonna share my blessing, but just let me go travel. Yeah, I owe everything to the Lord every time. Pero when I plan a trip, I still have to pray because God has to give me provision. If there's no provision, that means God doesn't want me to go there. Okay, and I always treat my sisters, my nephews, and my niece to a great trip. Just like last year, we went to Spain, except for my sister Jessica. She's a doctor and she can't go because of she had a clinic. So anyway, because she's been traveling too. So anyway, those are my witnesses. Everybody falls short of the glory of God, but God is so good to revive you. God will always bring you back and give you to your senses. So every time I face trials, I'm no longer scared because I know that I have a God who will always snap me back. I have a God who will always be there for me. Okay, start building your relationship with the Lord. So thank you very much for those who watched last night's interview with Dan. So I want to cut this short. Later on, I can talk to you and share you some God's goodness. Okay? God bless and babush.